Welcome to Our Stock Trades. In this channel, we love to help retail investors go from gambling and losing money to making strategic investments that will build long-term generational wealth, not just for themselves, but for their families as well. Now, this is going to be the start of many videos as a tutorial of our Our Stock Alerts. So in this video, it's going to be a basic dive. We're going to look at the categories and just kind of see what do we have here on our private Discord that has been embedded and combined within our software and other softwares as well. So when you first log in, you're going to be welcomed with a welcome page that gives you instructions on where to go. You can go ahead and visit the free stock tab, learn more about our lifetime membership, start here and what our AI can do, and also frequently asked questions. Then if you hover over the exclusive briefings and price target category, you will see a exclusive daily briefing that is updated regularly on the market. Like for example, you can see for what's on today's agenda of what's happening in the market. Likewise, you can go in and essentially get access to the verbal version if you are driving in your car, let's say. Now, we also have the hedge fund information as well as our long-term price targets, our algorithmic projection free cash flow regarding our high yield stocks that we have a conviction in, and as well stocks that are highly speculative that are on the short squeeze plays but have a price target on them. Likewise, we have our top short squeeze stocks. You have in this section a top short bar rate, short squeeze, gamma squeeze, and sometimes frequently I update you on the results. Like for example, we were able to get a 220% run up on a most recent play that we called out on Thursday, July 14th. So if we go in further, we also have market summary where you're able to see market heat maps, sector rotation graphs that update you on any rotations, economic calendars, notable earnings where you can click here or see the graphs here. Also, current watch lists that I'm looking at. Then you have the Brain Machine category, which basically goes over our announcements regarding our own proprietary software called Brain Machine, part of the Our Stock Alerts and Our Stock Trades platform. Now, personally, there are two versions of these right now as we're transitioning over to V3. We have the original version here, but we also have a more sophisticated version known as /help, which then gives you access to stock fundamentals, go back to the main menu, intrinsic value calculations, so on and so forth. If one room is filled, you have the second room, third room, and mastering students exclusively have their own room. And there are some references as well. So then we can go to our artificial intelligence program softwares, and you can see we have options. You can look up options, dark pool data. You can do your stock research and technical analysis, crypto analysis on the technicals of different known, like for example, Bitcoin and Ethereum, which you can see our members researching, charts in general. Likewise, we have our auto AIs, which will give you a continuous feed of what the big boys are doing in the market, like people are buying Amazon puts or Lyft calls. Our Bullseye is our artificial intelligent program that gives you an AI confidence level over what ticker to go into, whether you should do a call, a put, buy, or sell. And you can reference this with all the other things that we offer to increase your probability from a 67% to an 80% chance that you are going to be winning. We give you scalp ideas and scalp trades, red obviously being bearish, and green or somewhat type of a blue being bullish. We have sweeps, and also my favorite, golden sweeps, which gives you contracts that are over $1 million, as again, you want to follow what the big money is doing. You get dark pool signals, aka when stocks are being bought or sold, and under the radar that we have access to. We have insider selling and buying, where you can essentially see that, let's say, I believe we saw one very simply here, Oxy, which we know that Warren Buffett has been buying. We have signals of that. We have analyst upgrades and downgrades. Again, our Brain Machine gives you actual price targets for these. but these give you kind of an up-to-date feed, which we are going to be expanding. We have important news, so you can see what are the most important news on the dockets, crypto breakouts, as well as crypto signals, stock breakouts when they break out our artificial intelligently drawn support and resistance lines, and as well social sentiment graphs that gives you any changes in social sentiment in regarding to a specific ticker. Likewise, we have our Trade Master, which you can do more research on stocks, options, dark pool, stock charts, earnings, FinViz, direct access, the futures, general market, non-US as well for Canada. And we also have European stocks as well in our Brain Machine integrated very shortly. Pre-market, aftermarket, gainers, scanners, crypto, OTC, over-the-counter exchanges, Foreign-X, and some more auto news and regarding popular stocks that are also top gainers or top losers, so you can see which ones to short. Likewise, this is a decentralized platform, so we always like to give education in a very affordable setting. In our Educations tab, you have a bunch of financial books. Again, these books have been vetted by Dr. Michael J. Burry, who I contacted, as I'm also in the medical field, where he was able to give us strategic books to help our cause, which is to democratize financial information for all. We can see this here. Likewise, for personal development, as being a trader and long-term investor requires you to have the mental capacity to get back up when things go wrong. We have a lot of books here that help you with your personal development. Furthermore, we have my movie recommendations regarding stock market videos that are motivational and teach you how corrupt Wall Street can be. Tax knowledge information, helpful links, helpful products. Likewise, we have our legendary investors. Whenever they post, you would get a signal that they posted, which then you can click and they would go in and explain what is going on within the stock market. Likewise, we have Kathy Woods and Dr. Michael Burry. Now, he deletes his posts, which is bad, but we have him here saved within our data center. Elon Musk's tweets as well. He used to tweet about Dogecoin, where we used to be able to trade that. Now it's a bunch of just jokes, and it's just fun to watch. Likewise, my favorite investment strategist, Liz here, she posts incredible market updates literally every 30 minutes. We have that here as well. We have our, these are for our mastering students, so we won't be talking too much about this, but it's when they talk about their intrinsic value calculation. But here is our community workspace where we give out announcements. We have our members generating polls, asking questions, introducing themselves, our exclusive member chat, Clover Health member chat, and our Clover News, which gives you update as soon as Clover Health or one of the CEOs or presidents posts. Off-topic chat groups, crypto chat groups, day trading chat groups, options chat group, community due diligence, short squeeze chat groups, gamma squeeze chat groups, wish lists, motivational things, funny memes, furry friends, and recent YouTubes, and as well as our profit and loss. There is a lot, as well as our international community, as well as our Federal Reserve predictions and transcripts, and insider trading for regarding the House and Senate, and even more bots that help you look at economic data, more news, regulatory filing events, indexes, company information, company financials, owners, stocks, charts, futures, and currencies. We offer everything here at Al Stock Alerts. Literally, it is a one-stop shop. And this will be a great, and I hope it was a great overview in regarding what we offer here as we continuously develop this to make it user-centric and focused so you can achieve your maximum potential as an investor and outperform and outbeat the stock market. Ladies and gentlemen, it was a privilege and honor to make this video, and I will see you on the next one and the next series of lessons.